Hello, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my webinar. I'm so delighted to share with you my views and thoughts about recruitment and trying to help you to have a successful career change and find your ideal next roles. So today my topic is find your ideal next roles in a month. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me or email me. Okay, so let me just remove my video and then so that you guys can focus on the slides. Okay. Okay, here comes to the topic. So that's exactly what you got from your marketing materials or leaflets. That we will talk about all 10 topics, and they give you like 50 tips. So first of all, introductions will be you have to understand the typical hiring and job seeking cycle, and then you have to evaluate whether you need a career change right now. So 5 steps for a successful career change. And then when you need a successful career change, then obviously you need to go to apply the jobs. And so what are the tips for that you can easily get a job in 2019? And as you need to find a job, then definitely you need a CV. So there's some resume scenes that you have to avoid, so to become a better winning resume. And then interview preparations. So there's 5 ways for you to excel in the first 10 minutes of the interview. Okay, and also how to answer difficult interview questions. So there's some smart strategies for you to answer the interviewer. And when doing the interview, so how to demonstrate your ability and convince the interviewer. There's also some key questions for you to ask at the end of the interview. And then salary negotiation skills. Some people will be very interested in it. So any negotiation tactics. And then there's also 5 factors for you to evaluate for salary proposal. And then from over acceptance to onboarding. So what 5 important areas to consider. And finally, if you join a new company, then how to adapt to the new company. There's 5 methods that will work effectively with your new team. Okay, so as introductions, well, I guess you guys would find a quiet place and then always take notes. And maybe you try to relay or applying your past experience so you can understand more easily because you actually practice, have done the interview before, right? And also because it's an online webinar, so you have to ensure the internet connections and to dedicate this 1.5 hours to learn new things. Okay. So if you learn everything, so you need to take actions and do some changes. Okay, so for another introduction, it's better to have my video again because I'm talking about myself. So I was born and raised in Hong Kong. I've got a master's degree in computing, and then I got a bachelor's degree in human resources management, and also got membership in Hong Kong Institute of Human Resources Management. So I've got more than 15 years experience in multinational corporations or listed company, so I understand different departments and how it works. And for HR recruitment, I've got 9 years dedicated experience, and then I got different recruitment angles. For example, I start off in the recruitment agencies from consultants and then the managers, and finally I have owned my own agencies before, and then I moved in-house. So I got a recruitment process outsourcing experience with banks, and for recruitment for in-house HR roles. So I also promoted from like recruitment consultants to managers, and then become head of talent acquisition to manage my own team and to handle all the recruitments for the company. So because it's in-house, then you can imagine like a department head or the senior management director, whatever. Up to or under to like very junior roles, even like a contract role or permanent roles. So this is my companies that I worked before. So I work for Astri, which is a Hong Kong government funded research institute. They're looking for like master's degree or PhD degrees, IT or engineering talents to do new projects, new developments for some of the clients like banks, and also need to do some graduates or internship hires as well. I also work for A.S. Watson's Group, which as a group HR managers, not only about Hong Kong, but maybe the Asia market, because they have all the business in everywhere. There's more than 10,000 stores. And then for banks that I mentioned, I worked for UBS and HSBC before. And for recruitment agencies, I worked for Manpower and Adecco. So I guess they are the top 5 companies in the world in terms of the volume, in terms of the team and sales turnover. And then not to mention my early career, well, actually is in marketing and sales positions in GlaxoSmithKline, 3M, and also Colgate-Palmolive. So this is quite interesting. You know, they're also a big company, and I learned a lot. And for recruiting, so my focus particularly middle to senior levels higher in IT and technical roles. So for example, IT will be programming roles or infrastructure roles, because I'm also interested in writing programs. And then for industries or knowledge, well, I will have experience in banking, retail, IT and telecom, and then FMCG and pharmaceutical. So it's quite broad experience. Okay, it's end my video again.